Hi, guys. The last question that I get frequently is, what do I do if I move? So, generally speaking, your estate plan signed in any of the states, as long as it's effective, it's properly notarized, it's properly witnessed, is going to be effective in other states. Now, certainly, each state has the right to tweak their laws. And so some states do vary as it relates to who gets what and under what circumstances. So that being said, if you have an estate plan that's, say, crafted in Colorado and you move to Florida, or maybe you're in Florida and you move to North Carolina, it doesn't mean that your estate plan is completely useless and you have to throw it out and start all over again. That's not the case at all. What I do encourage you to do is to have your estate plan reviewed and updated annually, and at minimum every 3 years. Because seriously, guys, whoever's in Washington, D.C., they are always debating changes to our state laws. Estate tax, inheritance tax, gift tax, all kinds of stuff. So you certainly want, even if you're staying put in your home state, you want it reviewed annually and at minimum every 3 years, because the laws change, your family dynamics are going to change. Maybe your assets change, you've moved jobs, and now you have a new 401k plan that needs to be taken into consideration. Okay. Now, if you were to move, all you need to do is contact an attorney in that state and say, hey, I've got this plan. Can you take a look at it for me and tell me if anything needs to be tweaked or updated for the state specific laws that for the new state that you're moving to. If you have a plan that's done through me, I'm tied in with hundreds of attorneys throughout the U.S., so what I would simply do is hook you up with a personal family lawyer in your new home state. They're going to be very familiar with the processes that I use, the procedures that I use, and they're going to take a look at the documents and probably make minor tweaks to them and update them. So you're not having to start all over again with a whole new plan. It's really just minor changes, okay? If you have any questions or you are moving and you are not going to be in Florida or Colorado, reach out to me anyways. I'm more than happy to hook you up with a personal family lawyer in your new home state, have them take a look at your documents, and that way you can make sure that your documents and your plan are going to help and work when you need it to the most. Bye, guys.